Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today, my favorite cell phone holder was broken. We will be fixing it on our own by using something that can use as bracket. If you are curious what is that, please keep on watching. But before we start, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be updated. Thank you! Okay guys, we're going to the stock room. This is our stock room. We need to look for the materials needed here. These are the things that I'm going to do on the schedule day. And this one is this spatula, the old spatula. We're going to use this as bracket. And also we need a super glue. And now let us prepare the things we need. This is our broken cell phone holder, the hacksaw, old spatula, sandpaper, screwdriver, super glue, and small tray. This old spatula we are going to use for our bracket to connect the broken part. First thing to do is to disassemble.
Didn't come here for you, dude, you're killing the mood. Oh, you being so rude, get out of my way. Didn't come here to fight, carry on with your night. Just stay out of my sight, get out of my way. Didn't come here for you, dude, you're killing the mood. Oh, you being so rude, get out of my way. Didn't come here to fight, carry on with your night. Out of my sight, get out of my way. You show up thirsty, staring at me like I can do something for you.
Cut the old spatula on the part that we need.
You stalk like I'm a piece of meat. You're trying out and showing off, so flashy, don't do jack for me. be done. I have seen enough to call your bluff. Oh, didn't come here for you. Dude, you killing the mood. Oh, you being so rude. Get out of my way. Didn't come here to fight. Carry on with your night. Stay out of my sight. Get out of my way. Didn't come here for you. Dude, you killing the mood. Oh, you being so rude. Get out of my way. Didn't come here to fight. Carry on with your night. Out of my sight. Get out of my way. Should not be hard to understand. Don't wanna be bothered by a man. No need to flex, boy, don't be vexed. Not interested, no way, no thanks. Do you think they're acting confident? Get you in, that's not the point. Acting smooth, but you got no cool. So simple, you just gotta move. Why you've gotta ruin this for us? Spoil the fun, just be done. I have seen enough to call your bluff. Oh, didn't come here for you. Dude, you're killing the mood. Oh, you being so rude. Get out of my way. Didn't come here to fight. Carry on with your night. Get out of my sight. Get out of my way.
Put a super glue to a broken part.
Oh, you being so rude. Get out of my way. Didn't come here to fight. Carry on with your night. Out of my sight. Get out of my sight. I have had enough of your loud parade. It's time for you to go away. Didn't come here for you. Dude, you killing the mood. Oh, you being so
This is what will happen when we are not going to put the bracket.
Carry on with your night. Stay out of my sight. Get out of my way. Didn't come here for you. Dude, you killing the mood. Oh, you being so rude. Get out of my way. Didn't come here to fight. Carry on with your night. Out of my sight. Get out of my way. You show up thirsty, staring at me like I can do something for you. You lick your lips, you think you're slick. You stalk like I'm
Dry it under the heat of the sun
you're trying
before we assemble it again.
so flashy, don't do jack for me. You're such a troll, out of control. I wish I could just hit delete. Why?
This is where we put a bracket.
For us, spoil the fun, just be done. I have seen enough to call your bluff. Oh, didn't come here for you. Dude, you killing the mood. Oh, you being so rude. Get out of my way. Didn't come here to fight. Carry on with your night. Stay out of my sight. Get out of my way. Didn't come here for you. Didn't come here for you. Dude, you're killing the mood. Oh, you being so rude. Get out of my way. Didn't come here to fight. Carry on with your night. Just stay out of my sight. Get out of my way. Didn't come here for you. Dude, you're killing the mood. Oh, you being so rude. Get out of my way. Didn't come here to fight. Carry on with your night. Out of my sight. Get out of my way. You show up